if you could make a beautiful heartbeat-style LED flasher that smoothly fades on and off using just one simple IC and a few components? No Arduino, no complex circuit, just LM358 and some basic parts. Let's build this gradual on flasher indicator step by step. Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to make a gradual on and off flasher indicator like a heartbeat circuit using the LM358 IC. This is a great project for beginners and electronics hobbyists. Here are the components we need. LM358 IC, 3 47K ohm resistors, quarter watt, one 100K ohm resistor, quarter watt, one 50K variable resistor, one BC547 transistor, one 10 microfarad capacitor, LED diodes, one 560 ohm resistor, quarter watt, 12-volt DC battery or power supply. Now let's connect the circuit step by step. First, take the LM358 IC and connect pin 3 and pin 6 together. After this, take the first 47K ohm resistor and connect it between IC pin 6 and pin 8. Now take the second 47K resistor and connect it between IC pin 2 and pin 7. Next, take the third 47K resistor and connect it between IC pin 3 and pin 4. After this, take the 100K ohm resistor and connect it between IC pin 1 and pin 3. Now take the 50K variable resistor. Connect the middle pin, also called the wiper pin, to IC pin 1. Connect the second pin of the variable resistor to IC pin 5. Leave the first pin open. Next, take the BC547 transistor. Connect the collector pin to IC pin 8. Connect the base pin to IC pin 1. Now take the 10 microfarad capacitor. Connect the negative side to IC pin 1 and the positive side to IC pin 2. After this, take the LED diode. Connect the LED positive side to the transistor emitter pin. Connect the LED negative side to IC pin 4. You can use more LEDs for brighter glow. Now take the 560 ohm resistor and connect one side to IC pin 8. Connect the other side to the 12-volt battery or power supply positive. Important note, if you are using 4-volt battery or supply, you do not need the 560 ohm resistor. Connect the 4-volt supply directly to the circuit. Finally, connect the battery negative terminal to IC pin 4. As you can see, after completing all the connections, our circuit is working perfectly. The LED turns on and off smoothly like a heartbeat. You can use the variable resistor to increase or decrease the flashing speed. Now let's understand how this circuit works. The LM358 IC is used as an oscillator and amplifier. The resistors and capacitor create a timing network that generates a slow-changing voltage. This slow voltage change drives the BC547 transistor, which gradually increases and decreases the LED current. That is why the LED does not blink suddenly, but fades on and off smoothly like a heartbeat. The variable resistor changes the charging and discharging speed of the capacitor, so you can control the flashing speed. You can add more LEDs for brighter effect, but remember to use proper resistors and power supply. If you like this project, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more simple electronic circuits. Comment below if you want more LED flasher or IC-based projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.